Okay, here we have Ottorbox amplified glass for iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is about $35 to $50, depends on where you buy from. iPhone 13, it's made for 13 Pro Max. I don't know if it will fit 12 Pro Max, but you can check that from their website. So this is the box. What's inside the box is a couple of things like a cloth, dry one, dust removal shield. They all come in this little pouch thing, kind of like a credit card thing, hard to push the thing. Wet wipe, some platform to make it easier to put your phone inside, basically to make it dummy proof. Top goes right here, bottom goes here. This stays just like this, and you lay this over the phone, but before that you take off this another shield over this so it will stick. But before you do that, you have to prepare your phone. Most importantly, it's best that if you have a brand new phone, just like so here, to do it on the brand new phone, because it's never been used. The screen is clean, as you see, no fingerprints, whatever. It's quite difficult to get it off 100%, but there's still some stuff, so I'm just going to use the dry one to go over it one more time. Let's lay it over. Even the smallest peck of dust will mess it up, so try to lay this kind of over to measure it before you do it. So you have to pull a little further up, and you can see the edges here that leave it about 1.5 millimeters on both corners, 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm not installing it right now, I'm just testing it. And then put it back. As you can see, I don't know if the camera captures it, a whole bunch of dust. Yep, depends, unless you work in a microchip plant where it's a clean room or something, it's like no dust, whatever. You will get dust over your screen, no matter what. It's just the way it is. But if it's fairly clean, then still take the dust removal sticker, just go over everywhere, just capture all the dust, because dust will mess it up. It will leave air gaps. You don't want that. I mean, you don't want to be changing screen protector every 2 months also. I would not keep a screen protector over a year, that's period, because the glues will really bind with the screen. It will just give you a hard time removing it. It will just leave a mess usually. 1 year, maybe 1.5 tops. Don't leave it for like 3-4 years. So as you see, it's still grab. I don't know if the camera takes it, but some dust. Okay, so now when you're certain there's no dust, you gotta remove this piece right here. Don't go over the phone with that, because it's still gonna go leave dust. So now kind of pull this right here. Make sure this is tight, all corners. Try to go around the edges, make sure it's fitting good. I don't know, I don't feel good about this right now. Okay, once you feel comfortable, you gotta lay it down, but I wasn't, so I'm just still trying to be perfect with my distances from the corners to the glass protector. So now once you think it's good, just lay it down, stop putting pressure. If there are air gaps, use the provided kind of spatula to push it all out, and this should come right off over the phone. So this right now 90% installed. As you see, it's not bad. There's a big air gap here. Don't use your fingers, use something even and has something soft, which came with this. If you don't have this, you can use a credit card with a cloth or something over it, but right now we have it. So as you can see, firmly pull it down and try to dry it all off. Let's see, go over it. Okay, I think we are 99.9% good. Let me demonstrate now. It's not bad. There's some little tiny bubbles here. We can try to get rid of them, but over time with heat and cold, this will probably be good later on. I would highly recommend getting a screen protector behind this phone for the lens, because these are really expensive cameras. You know, you never know. The cases don't really cover them well. As you see, this is another one that has Spigen case, which I only use Spigen and Ottorbox, by the way. I don't use any other brand. As you see, if you put a case for the phone, like so, beautifully fit. But your cameras are not protruding, but still has some protection. I would put something like this. You see here, this is a protector for camera lens. Like this one doesn't have the protection, but this one has it, as you see. They're pretty cheap these days, probably like $1.52 each. I would just keep few of these just to be safe. So yeah, we have installed our screen protector from Ottorbox, and now phone is ready to go, ready to be activated and everything. Also earlier I reviewed this Anker 10,000 milliamp charger that sticks to your case that has MagSafe. As you see, there's a magnet here. This goes right here, and it's keep charging this way. And you can see the charge level and everything here. Yeah, so let's wrap it up. So as you see, we have installed Ottorbox amplified glass for iPhone 13 Pro Max. I would highly recommend Ottorbox products. They stand behind their products. If there's something happens to it in a 6 months or a year, even 2, you can go to online and keep the box. They might ask you the serial number, make sure it's authentic, so you can open an insurance claim and they can send you a new one for like $5 for shipping, something like that. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to help anybody who's looking to install screen protector, so you don't have to go somewhere to install it. It's done, nice and clean. So if you have any questions, comments, if I did something wrong, you want to point it out, please leave a comment. I like to read your comments. I try to go and answer everyone. I really enjoy people's comments. Also, please like and subscribe my channel. I try to put a lot of different things. Soon I'm going to be posting a lot of interesting things. I'm going to be traveling and stuff, So this channel is about everything. Literally, it's not right now for one thing. So whatever that comes to my mind or in front of my lens, as I said in the channel description, I just, capture it. So thanks for watching, and you have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye now.